For the second day on a trot, Delhi recorded a cold wave on Friday with the minimum temperature at Ayanagar in southwest Delhi plunging to a numbing 1.8 degrees Celsius according to the Indian Meteorological Department data. Meanwhile, Safdarjung recorded a minimum temperature of 4 degrees Celsius and Delhi Ridge recorded 3.3 degrees Celsius, said IMD. On Thursday, Delhi logged a minimum temperature of 3 degrees Celsius, the lowest in January in 2 years, making it cooler than several hill stations. At least 26 trains were delayed by 1 to 10 hours due to the foggy weather. The Safdarjung Observatory, Delhi's prime weather station, logged a minimum temperature of 4 degrees Celsius against 3 degrees Celsius on Thursday, 4.4 degrees on Wednesday and 8.5 degrees on Tuesday. The Uttarakhand government on Thursday halted construction works in and around Joshimath, including projects by the Border Roads Organisation and the National Thermal Power Corporation, as protests intensified in Joshimath over land subsidence that has caused cracks in at least 500 homes, threatening to bring them down. Residents of Joshimath took out a procession late on Wednesday and blocked the Badrinath highway on Thursday morning in an effort to get the administration to do more, hours before Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami's office said that he will hold a high-level meeting on the issue on Friday. A government survey found that 561 houses have developed cracks, a problem that appears to spread across the town where the ground has shown signs of shifting, officials said. The Mumbai-based man and former Wells Fargo VP accused of urinating on a woman co-passenger during an Air India flight has been arrested from Bengaluru after absconding for several days. A Delhi police team had been trying to zero in on his location through Friday night. The Bengaluru police assisted Delhi police in arresting Shankar Mishra from Sanjay Nagar area in the city. According to some reports, the accused Shankar Mishra was putting up at a homestay in Bengaluru where he was nabbed, while others suggest that he was putting up at his sister's place. Shankar Mishra has now been brought to Delhi from Bengaluru after days of search. After the incident of Mishra allegedly urinating on his co-passenger was reported, the Delhi police on January 5th had issued a lookout notice to the concerned authorities after filing a case of sexual harassment and obscenity against him. The much talked about caste census has begun in the state of Bihar today, that is on 7 January. The first phase of the census will culminate on January 21st, while the second phase will start on 1st April this year. A total amount of Rs 500 crore will be spent on the exercise. In the first phase of the caste census, the number of all the households in the state will be counted. In the second, starting from March, data pertaining to people of all castes, subcastes and religions will be collected. Enumerators whose training began on December 15th will also record information about the financial status of all the people. Data will be collected from the panchayat to the district level digitally via a mobile application. The app will have questions about place, caste, number of people in the family, their profession and annual income. Census workers include teachers, Anganwadi, MG Nareka or Jivika workers.